Welcome to today's tutorial. Are you ready to elevate your videography game? In this video, we're diving into how to use Luma AI to create stunning drone shots without the need for an actual drone. That's right, with just your smartphone and a little creativity, you can produce breathtaking 3D fly throughout the mimic professional drone footage. Step 1. First things first, let's talk about capturing the right footage. You will want to record an uncut video of your subject from three different angles: low, medium, and high. Make sure your camera is at eye level with the object you want to capture. Hold your phone from a top angle and circle around your subject. This will give your footage depth. Finally, go low. Capture another circle from a lower perspective. This will ensure maximum coverage for your 3D render. Step 2. Once you have footage ready, it's time to bring it to life with Luma AI. Download and install Luma AI app on your device. Create an account using Google Authentication or your email. Open the app and upload your recorded video. The AI will analyze it and generate a stunning 3D drone shot in just few taps. Step 3. Now that you have your 3D render, let's make it even better. Explore camera movements. Within the app, you can customize how the camera moves through your scene. Use keyframes to animate the camera path for dynamic effects. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can transform ordinary footage into captivating drone-like visuals using Luma AI. So grab your phone, start recording, and unleash your creativity. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tutorials that will take your skills to a new heights. Happy filming!